Did you know certain foods can actually lower histamine and calm allergy symptoms naturally? Here are 10 histamine-lowering foods for allergy relief. 1. Apples, rich in quercetin, a natural antihistamine. 2. Onions, boost immune defense and reduce histamine release. 3. Chamomile tea, calms inflammation and soothes allergies. 4. Ginger, fights histamine-triggered inflammation. 5. Vitamin C fruits like oranges and kiwi block histamine naturally. 6. Turmeric, curcumin reduces allergic reactions. 7. Basil contains compounds that lower histamine activity. 8. Parsley, a powerful antihistamine herb. 9. Peppermint tea, opens airways and reduces nasal symptoms. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants that stabilize histamine. Instead of always reaching for meds, add these foods to your plate for natural allergy relief.